It's low-key true, yeah, because it was one video you.
Yeah, and then one video me. Yeah, it was just back and forth like that.
It's low-key true. I didn't notice that.
I did. I was like, damn, these fools are probably like, why aren't these fools together? It's Primus Auto Works. Primus Auto Works. It's Primus Auto Works. It's Primus Auto Works. It's Primus Auto Works. Coming back at you with a fresh new intercooler install.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be a lot more detailed than the last one, just because I wasn't there for the last one for the most part, because I had to go to work, and my dad took it upon himself to do it.
This is gonna be a little easy install.
Yep, real quick.
Wait.
But today we do not have a VRSF one. We have we have an ARM Motorsports, same brand as the downpipes on Dante's car. That's funny. You got the ARM Motorsport intercooler and downpipe combo. I got the VRSF intercooler and downpipe combo.
That's true.
Yeah, so it's the 5-inch step one, just like mine is. Dirt in your face. See, guys, we told you last video, man. Gotta have the safety glasses. He didn't wear his. Already getting. Oh shoot, where you at? Oh, already getting stuff in his face.
All right, then, guys. First thing you want to do is remove the intercooling piping clips. One right there, and then there'll be another one on the other side right here as well. Alright then, guys, you're gonna need a T25 socket, and then you're gonna need to remove 2 bolts. One's gonna be right there, and then there'll be another one on the other side of the intercooler. We already popped out the OEM intercooler.
What are you doing, bro?
What are you doing?
Camera guy Greg is back, just chilling. What's good? Oh, I cut my finger. Bro, honestly, I don't like working on cars. I think I want to quit while Primus Auto Works.
You hear that, guys? He's a little pussy.
How's your mom gonna feel about that? Rare footage of Dante destroying his car, guys. You will never see this ever. Sad. Alright, guys, the intercooler is done. It took us about a little over an hour, about an hour 15, hour 20. But yeah, there it is. Dante's still gonna cut those bars out the front still, so we can show off that intercooler. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like. Damn, son.
Yep.
But yeah, we're gonna tune it. You know, Greg the tuner over here, about to bust out the phone.
For sure.
Adjust all these tables and shit. Psych. But real shit, we're about to hook up MHD real quick, flash it, and you already know what's good.
Sad.